Hello everybody, this is Vinayak and welcome back to Vox for Lifetime, your go-to source for Linux tutorials and server management tips brought to you by Vox4.com, your trusted provider for lifetime VPS, dedicated servers, managed WordPress hosting, monthly VPS plans, and lifetime web hosting based on cPanel. In today's video, we will explore different ways to check directory sizes in Linux using various commands. Checking directory sizes help you manage disk space, prevent storage issues, and optimize server performance. Whether you are on a personal computer or managing a VPS, keeping track of storage usage is essential. You should check for directory sizes in your Linux machine to prevent disk overflows, improve system performance, identify large files and directories while optimizing backup process and increasing resource allocation. Over time, your system creates some files which are called log files which consume substantial storage. Regular monitoring of these directory sizes in Linux helps prevent oversizes in sudden times, ensuring smooth system operation and preventing services from failing due to lack of space. We can use command du for verifying and checking the disk space on our Linux machine. Du command, also called the disk usage command, is used to count disk usage for each file and directory, and it gives us the sizes of directories in detail. It calculates disk usage and can display results in many formats and levels of detail. It allows users to view the sizes of directories and their contents. Basic syntax for du command is du space option space our directory. If no directory is specified with the options tag, it will take current directory where you are working as the default. You can also use the du-sh command to get a human readable size of directory because -s, which is called summary, will provide a single summarized folder or total for the specified directory, while -h will convert all of the output in human readable display and gives us the size in an easy to read format such as kilobyte, megabyte, or gigabyte. For example, if I want to check storage space for our directory var, I will type du space -sh space /var. I will go to terminal and type du space -sh space /var and press enter. Size of our var directory right now is 62 MB. But if I did not specify the options and simply typed du space /var, this will show us the file sizes using their separate file names, which is not good and it can cause issues to us if we are in a hurry or want to get a quick results of our files. If you want to view the file size of specified directories which have a size above a specified limit, proceed and type the du command along with the size. For example, I will go ahead and type du space size, that is 5M space /var and press enter. This will show me all the sizes which are above 5 MB in our var directory. To list all of the directories and files recursively, we'll move forward and use the command du space -a space the name of our directory. I will go to our terminal and type du space -a space /var/lib and press enter. This command will give all of the files present inside lib directory present in var. This is used to give the sizes of each file and subdirectory within the specified directory. It is used when we want to locate large files within a specific directory. For example, if you are having backup stored inside of a directory which you cannot find, or if you want to view some logs present in the var directory, you can use this command. Similarly, if you want to display the total size at the end of output, proceed and use the -c command. I will copy this, go to terminal, paste it. Instead of the /path, I will type /var and press enter. This command will show the total size of var directory which is being consumed on our Linux server. Similarly, if we want to check the maximum limit directory depth which is used when we want to include the level of subdirectories that du will include. It is useful when we are working on deep directory structures. For example, our var directory, and inside of var directory there are separate softwares and there is a very much deep connection inside of files. To do this, go and copy the command du space hyphen h space hyphen max depth is equals to the depth until which we want to look, and forward slash our directory. I will copy it, go to terminal, paste it. I will change the depth from 1 to 2 because I want to view up to 2 folders, and add the path. I will go and type our var directory and press enter. The path with only up to 2 directories will be specified. If we want to combine du with some other commands such as grep, sort or head, we can do it. By using grep command with du, we can search for specific directories or files by their name. By using the sort command, we can sort the results by their size, helping us in identifying the largest directories and the lowest directories. If we use the head command, we will be able to display only the top results. If we want to find the largest directory using du command, use the command du space hyphen h space hyphen max depth is equals to the limit of depth which we want to specify space our directory. I will copy it, go to terminal, paste it. Instead of path slash 2 slash directory, I will type our var directory, type it and press enter. All of these files are present inside of our var directory, which specify or match the following columns or requirements. There are several pros and cons of using the du command. Du command provides us with flexibility, detailed output, and it provides many options to customize results. However, the du command can produce verbose output which may not be filtered or sorted. We can also use df command for using the disk space monitoring tool. Df is designed for high level disk space monitoring, which shows us overall usage of file systems rather than showing individual directory sizes in Linux. However, it is helpful for getting a general overview of the storage space used on our Linux based distributions by the disk. Df command shows us how much disk space is used on the mounted file system. Df is a useful file system monitoring tool even though it was not designed at all for analyzing individual directories. The syntax for df command is df space options space directory. To use df command, we have various parameters as well, such as df-h to provide us human readable output. The -h option takes the output more understandable by displaying sizes in kilobyte, megabyte, or gigabyte. For example, if I want to view the size of a var directory present in my Linux, I will go to terminal and type df space -h space forward slash var. I will press enter. This command will show us a more easy yet attractive way for the utilized space which is present or used by this specific directory in our Linux file system. There are some limitations as well for the df command because unlike du, which measures individual directories, df focuses on file system. This means that it is more suitable for high level monitoring rather than analyzing specific directory contents. Practical use cases for the df command is when we want to check for available space on a specific file system, when we want to monitor overall disk usage to avoid disk overflow, and for verifying disk usage for specific mount points. To find directory size with ls and start commands, we can use ls space hyphen lh space our directory. I will go to terminal and type ls space hyphen lh, and again I have to type my directory, for example forward slash var, and press enter. This command will show us how much space is occupied by which directory inside of our file system. ls and start command aren't specifically used for measuring directory sizes, but they provide useful information about individual files and directories. lh command along with ls command with lh parameter is used to give the cumulative directory size calculation and produce human readable sizes for each file. Next, we will look at how to use the stat command for our file system management and knowing the disk limit or disk sizes. To use stat command for checking the disk sizes, go ahead and type stat space our directory. For example, I want to check for the var directory. I will type stat space forward slash var and press enter. This command will show me the bytes or the number of disk directory used along with the inodes for a specific directory. Start command has some pros and cons. It is used as a very quick way to view individual file details, but it is not as effective for cumulative directory site analysis. Moving further, let's look at calculating the directory size with tree command. If your Ubuntu distribution does not have tree installed, I would recommend you to install it by typing sudo apt install tree and press enter. Once the tree command is installed, use the command snippet tree space -h space our directory. I will go to terminal, type tree space -h space /var and press enter. This command will give us a detailed output using a tree syntax or tree structure for all of the files present inside the var directory. It is very long, hence I would recommend you to type the same command space, use this and send the output to a file output.log. This command will paste all of this log inside the output.log file. We can also use advanced techniques such as find, awk, and shell scripts. To use find and awk for some directory size, copy the command present in our tutorial or blog. These are used for advanced users only because combination of these commands like find and awk or even writing custom shells scripts can be an effective way to automate size checks for complex directory structures. Since I have copied this command, I will go to my terminal, paste it, and since I want to check the size for /var directory, I will type it over here by typing /var and press enter. This command will show us the total size of the var directory along with the total size for a specific file if we want. There are some advanced techniques such as find, awk and use of shell scripts to check and sum the directory size. For example, if you want to use the find and awk command to sum up directory size while working together to calculate the complex directory size structure, use the command present in our blog, copy it, go to terminal, paste it and press enter. Since we don't have a path/2/directory, we will specify a custom path. In my case, I will type var, so it will be /var and press enter. The total size for our var directory is 379 MB. This command is used to specify directory and calculates the cumulative size. Similarly, if we want to write a shell script for the directory size calculation, copy the snippet present in our blog, go to terminal. Now we will create a bash script by typing nano space bash.sh, paste it, exit by pressing Ctrl X, Y and enter. Now make this file executable by typing chmod plus X space name of our file. Now I will execute the file by typing / our file name, that is bash.sh space /var and press enter. This bash script we just created will calculate the size of our specified directory. That's it for today's guide on checking directory sizes in Linux. We covered commands such as du, ls and df. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share it with others in the Linux community. For more tutorials, check out the blog linked in the description. And remember, whether you need lifetime VPS, dedicated servers, managed WordPress hosting, monthly VPS plans, or lifetime web hosting based on cPanel, Vox4 has you covered. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.